Very well taped on here.
I tried.
Holy crap, this thing is huge. And it's heavy. I have no idea what this is.
Well, you know, that's gonna be fine.
Yeah. Well, happy holidays, everyone. I guess today's the 24th, the day before Christmas, Christmas Eve, as it's normally called. Normally. And as tradition, we normally get to open up one present the day before Christmas. So my beautiful girlfriend, Jen, got me something, and this is a complete surprise. I have no idea what is in here. So let's figure it out.
Let's figure it out.
We need something. We can't do an unboxing without this.
Without the axe.
Yes. But I'm told this could be fragile, so I'm going to be
Symbolically axing.
as an axe is designed to be used, cleaver style. All right, enough of that. Oh man, this is very well taped on here.
I tried.
Okay. What does it say? Oh, it's. You got me a sup board, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
All right.
It doubles as a kayak.
Yeah. Hell yeah. It doubles as a kayak?
Yeah, it's
That's awesome.
a tall person board. It's much longer, so it also works as a kayak. They have some like attachment.
Oh, that's super cool. All right. This is probably going to be too big for my frame. I was not expecting it to expand bigger than the box. But here we are. All right.
Silo loves it. She's excited to be in the video.
She is. She is the best in the videos. Ooh. That's a nice color. I'm gonna tilt this up a little bit more. We aren't seeing crap here.
Whoa. Whoa.
There we go.
Hey, buddy.
The whole family's here, almost.
Almost.
Just missing Sadie. All right, that's a little better. Very cool.
So that is for your feet to rest upon when you do it kayak style.
Gotcha. Okay. I like a good footrest, as you know.
That'll be your seat, I suppose.
Yeah, looks very seat-like.
Seaty.
And then a pump.
Got a pump.
You can't do it without a pump. We're here to pump you up.
Oh, and the paddle is so cool. It does either the paddle, set paddle, or kayak paddle.
Oh, okay. So like attached together or separate? Sloots. How do you do that?
So this thing.
Oh, this is the middle one, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty tight. I guess it's supposed to be.
I guess it's supposed to be.
That's a cool tether.
Yeah.
Or leash.
It's got some like rainbow iridescence to it almost.
Nice.
Or is it just reflecting the rainbow tree? That's probably doing that. Yep, reflecting the tree.
Yeah, they just gave me a random rainbow leash.
I like the color too. What is it? It's like a
navy, I think.
Navy or cobalt.
Yeah, it's more cobalt than navy.
Yeah. Some nice grippies.
Grippies. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, yeah. Let me feel that. That feels nice.
Yeah, where do those go?
I'm gonna guess that goes on the edges for when you're kayak gripping.
Okay. This is nice. Feel that.
Pretty nice. Yeah.
I bet that is really nice in the water.
So I think that both paddles go on both ends here.
Is it side specific?
You never know.
Because there's the hole right there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a tight fit.
There you go.
There you go.
That's in there.
That is a paddle. And then I assume this one goes on that side. Yeah, we're filming this on the new C50, an open gate recording.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this board is 11.6 feet.
Okay, so.
It's gonna make it a lot more stable for your tall frame.
Great.
It should feel more stable than you've ever really supped on before.
Yeah.
Because most boards are not long enough that you can rent basically for your height.
What is the average length of rental boards?
10 and a half or so.
10 and a half.
You get an extra foot.
What height is that meant for?
Like my height-ish.
Like your height?
Ish. Yeah.
I'm a little taller than you
are.
Last time I checked.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, great. Because that's always been one of my issues with these kind of boards and stuff, is that I just don't have great balance on them. And it's usually because they're rental boards and they're too short for me. Mm-hmm. Duh. So hopefully this one will be great. Oh, it's even like gift wrapped.
It's gift wrapped.
So cute.
Nice. It's pretty. It's like a seafoamy color.
Oh, that's cool. It's like almost double knee.
So what's fun about this board, pull it out just a little bit. See how there it has these rings all the way down?
Yeah.
All the way the length of the board, you can strap stuff onto you. If you're like, oh, I want to put a cooler right here.
Cool. Or a camera bag, which I won't do because I don't trust myself enough to not drop it into the water.
Yeah.
Is this how you inflate it?
Yeah.
This might take a minute.
Silent wants to help.
I like this top color. This is a good choice. So does this have fins as well? I see a slot for a fin.
There are fins, yeah.
Where?
Where be the fins? They might be in the bag somewhere.
Okay.
That looks like a fin bag.
It looks like fins.
Ooh, it's all wrapped. It's like getting a new car. Everything is all fresh.
That's definitely a fin. So how do I get this into the board?
Into the board?
Yeah, I'm sure that will tell me in the instructions.
Ta-da, ta-da!
Hey,
Fin, it is on.
excellent.
So the fun part is I got this on Black Friday sale. And West Marine was having a sale also. So with the extra savings that I got, we got the part 2 that's under the tree.
Okay. You're gonna make a guess. Is it a cooler?
Open it up and find out.
Oh.
Oh, it's working, it's working. You cannot sup without a PFD. It's not even legal to sup without a PFD.
PFD.
Personal flotation device.
Ah, okay, okay.
So this
cool.
is the NRS Ninja.
Ninja. For I'm ninja with my axe. I love being safe and following the law.
I'm following the law most of the time.
Most of the time. Thank you so much. This has been incredible.
You're welcome. Merry
I
Christmas.
feel very blessed this year. It's been an incredible year with you.
Yeah, it has been.
Yeah, we met just after Christmas last year, and so we've been together for almost a year now. It's kind of crazy, and I've been very blessed to have you and the animals in my life.
Totally. Me too. Same.
Yeah. All right. Well, I hope 2026 is great for you. It's gonna be great for us.
Gonna be great.
It's gonna be great. Yay!
Yay.
Bingo, bango.